Powering your RV, cabin, or camping trip could be as simple as unfolding a panel in the sun. That's the beauty of beginner solar kits. They bring renewable energy right to your fingertips without the complexity of piecing things together. Today, we're diving into the best beginner solar panel kits you can grab on Amazon right now. Each one has unique strengths, and by the end, you'll know exactly which kit matches your needs. All the links are in the description, so do check them out. Let's get started. On number 6, ESO-worthy 1.6 kWh Complete Solar Panel Kit 400 W12V. If you've ever wished for a full solar setup without the headache of buying parts separately, this kit is it. It includes 400 watts of monocrystalline panels, a 40A MPPT controller, a 12V 100Ah lithium battery, and a 1100W pure sine wave inverter, all in one package. That MPPT controller squeezes out 99% efficiency, so you get way more usable power compared to PWM kits like the Renogy we'll cover next. Plus, the Bluetooth module lets you track performance on your phone. Though some say the app feels buggy at times, realistically this system can power lights, a fridge, and entertainment gear. But the 1100W inverter won't handle power-hungry appliances. Compared to the Renogy 100W starter kit, EcoWorthy feels like 4 steps ahead, bundling lithium storage and a pure sine inverter into a ready-to-go deal. If you want an all-in-one solution that's both powerful and beginner-friendly, this kit is the best bang for your buck. Just don't expect flawless app software. What do you think? Would you trade app smoothness for a complete package? On number 5, Renogy 100 W12V Solar Panel Starter Kit. For anyone just dipping their toes into solar, Renogy's 100W kit is a classic entry point. It's affordable, reliable, and simple to install, with everything you need included. The 100W panel, a 30A PWM charge controller, cables, and mounting hardware. The monocrystalline panel is well built, and even in cloudy weather, it often outperforms cheaper alternatives. The PWM controller isn't as efficient as MPPT, so you won't harvest as much energy as with the ESO-worthy kits, but for powering LED lights, charging phones, or keeping a small fan running, it's perfect. Plus, Renogy has built a solid reputation for quality, so it's great for peace of mind. Where this kit shines is affordability. Compared to the ESO-worthy 400W, you're spending a fraction of the cost for a smaller scale solution. Think of this as your gateway into solar. It's not for running big appliances, but for weekend trips or tiny off-grid setups, it's spot on. Which camp do you fall into? Starter simplicity or all-in-one power? Number 4, DOKIO 100W Portable Foldable Solar Panel Kit. Here's where portability takes the spotlight. The DOKIO 100W kit folds down small, weighs just 5.3 pounds, and is super easy to carry. Imagine unfolding it at a campsite, plugging into its dual USB ports, and charging your phone directly. No battery needed. That's a unique advantage over the Renogy, which is built for fixed installs. Output-wise, expect around 80-85 WPreaks under strong sun, so a little less than rated. But the trade-off is extreme portability. It comes with a PWM controller and alligator clips for quick battery hookups, which keeps things beginner-friendly. If durability is your top concern, Renogy's rigid frame might last longer. But if your priority is flexibility and ease of setup, DOKIO wins hands down. Compared to ZOUPW, which we'll cover at number 1, DOKIO is lighter but delivers slightly less real-world power for road trippers, campers, or anyone who values grab-and-go design. This kit is a winner as you go for portability over raw output. On number 3, ESO-worthy 400-watt 12V premium solar panel kit. Now this one is serious business for beginners who want more power but still need simplicity. It includes 4 100W panels, a 48 MPPT controller, and a Bluetooth module for monitoring. Unlike the foldable DOKIO, this is a fixed installation, ideal for an RV roof or small cabin. With up to 99% efficiency from the MPPT controller, you're harvesting way more energy than the Renogy 100W starter kit. The build is tough too. Those aluminum frames can handle heavy wind and snow loads, so it's built to last. Realistically, this kit will keep fridges, lights, and multiple devices running with ease. The downside? It doesn't come with a battery or inverter like the ECO-worthy 1.6K waste kit at number 6, so you'll need to add those separately. If you want a scalable, powerful setup that's priced lower than Renogy's higher-end kits, this one is an incredible deal. Would you rather have everything included like the 1.6 kWh kit, or buy components separately for more customization? On number 2, WERCHTAY 200 watts solar panel kit. Looking for something in between starter kits and full-scale setups? The WERCHTAY 200W kit hits that sweet spot. With two 100W panels and a 30A controller, it's perfect for running RV fridges, lights, and laptops. The panels use high-efficiency monocrystalline cells, up to 25% efficiency, giving it an edge over some budget competitors. Installation is beginner-friendly, thanks to pre-drilled holes and plug-and-play connectors, making it easy for DIY setups. The one catch? Some versions ship with TWM controllers instead of MPPT, so check before you buy. Compared to the Renogy 100W, this doubles the power for a similar price range, and against ECO-worthy's 400W, it's more compact and affordable, though with less total capacity. Think of it as the just right middle ground. If you're planning weekend camping or powering a shed, this kit offers impressive efficiency without breaking the bank. Do you think doubling power for a mid-range price is worth it? Or would you go all in with 400W on? Number 1. ZOUPW 100-watt portable solar panel kit. Finally, the crown jewel for portability and real-world performance, the ZOUPW 100W kit. This one packs up like a briefcase, weighs under 10 pounds, and unfolds with built-in kickstands. What sets it apart is efficiency. Users report it consistently delivers 9098W, which is rare in portable panels. That's more than DOKIO's 8085W and close to what you'd expect from rigid setups. It comes with multiple adapters, XT60, Anderson, DC ports, and built-in USB-A and USB-C outputs, so you can charge phones, tablets, or even laptops directly. The 20A PWM controller keeps things simple, though not as efficient as MPPT, especially in cloudy weather. Compared to EcoWorthy's heavy fixed kits, Zoup is all about mobility and versatility. If you want something lightweight, waterproof, and able to power devices on the go, this is hands down the best pick for beginners. So here's the question. Would you rather have a portable powerhouse like this or a fixed, more powerful setup? And there you have it. The best beginner solar panel kits you can buy right now. Each one caters to different needs, whether it's portability, affordability, or all-in-one convenience. All the links are in the description, so don't forget to check them out. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more gear breakdowns like this. Thanks for watching.